How to change App Store country region to Japan. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your App Store country region to Japan. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your settings. After you open up your settings, you should see your Apple ID on the top. Tap on it. And after you tap on it, you should see an option called Media and Purchases. Tap on Media and Purchases and tap on View Account. After you tap on View Account, you'll get redirected to your App Store. After it loads, you should see different options such as your payment management, subscription, your history, your country and region. Now the one that we want is the country and region one. So tap on it and now you'll get redirected to your App Store. After you get redirected to your App Store, you can change your region or country. Now tap on change country or region and then search for Japan. Scroll down, all of these are assembled in alphabetical order, so it should be really easy to find Japan. After you find it, tap on it and then you will have to agree to its terms and conditions. Tap on agree, and after you tap on agree, you should be basically good to go. All you need to now do is add a payment method and the change will be applied after you make the purchase. So tap on next after you apply for everything here, and then your country or region will get changed to Japan. And that is basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.